Filmmakers, get ready, because Sony is about to shake up the entire cinema camera world again. The long-awaited Sony FX3 II is finally coming, and the latest leaks confirm it's going to be a game-changing upgrade for creators, cinematographers, and content professionals alike. From an all-new 33-megapixel full-frame stack sensor to next-gen AI autofocus, 6.2K video recording, and improved color science that matches Sony's top-end Venice cameras. This beast is designed to bring Hollywood-level image quality into a camera that literally fits in your backpack. And that's not all. With AI, assisted stabilization, unlimited recording, a brighter OLED display, and cloud-powered workflows, the FX3 II isn't just an upgrade, it's a complete redefinition of compact cinema. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. So in this video, we're breaking down all the official specs, leaked features, pricing, and release date details. And trust me, if you're serious about filmmaking, this is one camera you'll want to see till the end. The filmmaking world is buzzing once again, and this time it's all about Sony. Leaks and industry insiders have all but confirmed that the long-awaited Sony FX3 II is on its way, and it's shaping up to be one of the most powerful compact cinema cameras ever made. Positioned as the successor to the hugely popular Sony FX3, this next-generation model is expected to take everything creators loved about the original, portability, full-frame power, and cinematic image quality, and refine it into a true flagship-grade filmmaking tool for the modern era. Whether you're a professional cinematographer, an independent filmmaker, or a content creator looking to shoot Netflix-approved footage in a compact setup, the FX3 II could easily become the most important camera release of the year. According to multiple trusted sources, the Sony FX3 II will feature a brand new full-frame 33-megapixel stacked CMOS sensor, designed to deliver exceptional dynamic range, low-light performance, and high-speed readout for flawless video capture. This sensor is rumored to be paired with Sony's latest Bion's XR Plus image processor, an enhanced version of the already powerful processor found in the FX3 and FX30, delivering faster processing, improved color science, and significantly better heat management for long, uninterrupted recording sessions. Sony has reportedly fine-tuned the color pipeline to more closely match its top-end cinema cameras like the FX6, FX9, and Venice 2, ensuring consistent cinematic tones across its entire production ecosystem. One of the most anticipated upgrades is the camera's video recording capability. The FX3 II is expected to shoot 6.2K full-frame video and 4K at up to 120 frames per second with full 10-bit 4:2:2 internal recording. It's also rumored to support 16-bit raw output via HDMI and SDI, using an optional module, making it ideal for professional workflows that demand maximum flexibility in post-production. On top of that, Sony is said to be introducing new recording formats, including XAVC-HIQ for high-efficiency, high-quality capture, alongside the existing ZAVC-S and All-Intra options. Sony's advanced AI-driven autofocus system is also coming to the FX3 II. Borrowing from the Alpha 9 III and A7S4, it features real-time subject recognition, eye-tracking AF for humans and animals, and predictive tracking for fast-moving subjects, ensuring sharp focus even in chaotic shooting environments. For filmmakers who prefer manual control, Sony is said to have improved focus peaking visibility and added customizable AF assist functions for rack